Hey there everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the wildest corners of our planet. Are you ready to meet some of the strangest animals on Earth? From creatures that regrow entire limbs to oddballs with venomous spurs, our planet is home to mind-boggling species that look like they're straight out of a sci-fi movie. In today's video, we'll take you on a thrilling adventure around the globe to discover 7 unbelievably bizarre creatures, some of which you may have never heard of. Prepare to be amazed by nature's boundless creativity, where evolution has sculpted some of its most astonishing masterpieces. So, buckle up and get ready to dive into the weird and wonderful world of nature. Our journey into the bizarre begins in the ancient lakes of Mexico, where we encounter a creature seemingly frozen in time. This is the Axolotl, a salamander that embodies the phrase "forever young." Unlike its amphibian relatives, the axolotl never fully metamorphoses into an adult, retaining its juvenile, almost cartoonish appearance throughout its life. Imagine possessing the secret to eternal youth, a characteristic that has captivated scientists for centuries. The axolotl doesn't just hold on to its youthful charm, it also boasts an almost mythical ability regeneration. Should it lose a limb, a gill, or even suffer damage to its spinal cord or brain, the axolotl simply regrows the missing or damaged parts. This incredible regenerative power has made the axolotl a subject of intense scientific study, offering potential insights into tissue repair and regeneration in other species, including our own. Pollution and habitat loss have driven the axolotl to the brink of extinction in the wild. These once sacred creatures, revered by the Aztecs, are now clinging to survival in the remnants of their watery homes. For now, we can only marvel at the axolotl, a testament to nature's boundless capacity for wonder and a symbol of hope for the future of regenerative medicine. Our next stop takes us to the land of diverse and unusual creatures, Australia. Home to a creature that seems to defy classification. This is the platypus, an animal so strangely cobbled together that early European naturalists believed it to be a hoax. Imagine a creature with the bill of a duck, the tail of a beaver, and the webbed feet of an otter. Add to that the fact that it lays eggs, a characteristic typically associated with birds and reptiles, and you have the enigmatic platypus, one of the few venomous mammals on Earth. The male platypus possesses a secret weapon, a spur on its hind legs connected to a venom gland. While not lethal to humans, a sting from a platypus delivers excruciating pain, a stark reminder that even the most unassuming creatures can possess surprising defenses. Its unique appearance and unusual combination of characteristics have puzzled scientists for centuries. The platypus is a living testament to the power of evolution to create creatures that challenge our understanding of the natural world. Found only in eastern Australia and Tasmania, the platypus is a shy and elusive creature, spending most of its life in burrows along the banks of freshwater rivers and streams. The platypus, a true oddity of the animal kingdom, reminds us that nature is full of surprises and that there is always more to discover in the world around us. Our expedition takes us to Madagascar, home to unique wildlife found nowhere else on Earth. Here lives the ii, a nocturnal lemur shrouded in myth and superstition. With bat-like ears and glowing eyes, it navigates the forest canopy. Its long, skeletal middle finger sets it apart from all other primates. Local legends portray the ii as a harbinger of misfortune. This fear has led to its persecution in some parts of Madagascar. In reality, the ii is harmless and plays a vital role in its ecosystem. Its elongated middle finger is a marvel of evolution designed for its unique feeding strategy. It taps on trees, listening for insect larvae, then extracts them with its hooked claw. Understanding the ii highlights the importance of appreciating all creatures. Our next destination takes us to the Indonesian islands of Sulawesi, Togian Buru, and Sula, where we encounter a creature that seems to blur the lines between pig and deer. This is the Babirusa, a peculiar-looking animal with a name that literally means pig deer in Indonesian. Imagine a pig with an extraordinary set of tusks, not just protruding from its lower jaw, but curving upwards from its snout, piercing through its skin, and in the case of the males, continuing to grow until they form an impressive arc that almost touches the animal's forehead. These unusual dental appendages give the Babirusa an almost mythical appearance. While their exact purpose is still debated among scientists, it's believed that the males use them for display and competition for mates, much like deer use their antlers. Despite their intimidating appearance, Babirusas are primarily herbivores, their diet consisting mainly of fruits, leaves, and roots. They use their sharp lower tusks to root around in the forest floor for fallen fruit and to strip bark from trees, supplementing their diet with the occasional insect or small animal. However, like many species on our planet, the Babirusa faces an uncertain future due to habitat loss and hunting pressure. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure the survival of this extraordinary creature and preserve the delicate balance of Indonesia's rainforests. Our quest for the bizarre now takes us from the lush rainforest to the depths of the ocean, a realm of perpetual darkness and extreme pressure. Here in this alien world lives a creature that seems to defy gravity, a mesmerizing denizen of the deep known as the Basketstar. Imagine a starfish, but instead of 5 simple arms, it possesses a multitude of branching, tentacle-like limbs that radiate outwards like the roots of a tree. These arms, covered in tiny hooked appendages, can weave together, forming an intricate, basket-like structure that gives the creature its name. During the day, it typically remains coiled up, resembling a tangled mess of living rope clinging to rocks or corals. But as darkness descends, the Basketstar undergoes a remarkable transformation. It unfurls its intricate arms, extending them outwards in a captivating display that has earned it the nickname the Medusa of the Deep. These branching limbs, covered in sticky mucus, act as a net, trapping small crustaceans, plankton, and other organic matter drifting in the current. The Basketstar's beauty and ecological importance underscore the need to protect our oceans from pollution, overfishing, and the impacts of climate change. These threats not only endanger the Basketstar, but also countless other fascinating and vital creatures that call the deep sea home. Our next encounter takes us to the steamy jungles of South America, home to some of the largest and most feared arachnids on Earth. This is the Goliath bird-eater, a spider so massive that its leg span can reach up to 12 inches, roughly the size of a dinner plate. Imagine encountering this colossal spider in the wild, its hairy legs covered in sensitive hairs that detect vibrations and air currents, its 8 eyes gleaming in the dim light of the rainforest understory. Despite its name and formidable size, the Goliath bird-eater doesn't actually have birds as a regular part of its diet. While it is capable of taking down small birds, its primary prey consists of insects, frogs, snakes, and small rodents. Its diet plays a vital role in regulating populations within its ecosystem. The Goliath bird-eater, like many spiders, uses a combination of venom and brute strength to subdue its prey. Its venom, while not lethal to humans, can cause intense pain, swelling, and nausea. Despite its fearsome reputation, the Goliath bird-eater is a relatively docile creature and rarely attacks humans unless provoked. The Goliath bird-eater, a true giant of the spider world, reminds us that even the most intimidating creatures can be fascinating and play important roles in the balance of nature. Our final destination takes us to the frigid waters of the North Atlantic, where we encounter the wolffish, perfectly adapted to this harsh environment, with a face only a mother could love and teeth that could put a horror movie monster to shame. Its stout, muscular body and smooth, scaleless skin are perfect for navigating the rocky ocean floor. The wolffish's prominent canine-like teeth and powerful jaws are its survival tools. It feeds on hard-shelled invertebrates like clams and mussels, crushing through their protective armor with ease. Despite its menacing appearance, the wolffish plays a crucial role in its ecosystem. However, it is vulnerable to overfishing and habitat degradation, highlighting the need for responsible fishing and conservation. The wolffish, a creature of the cold depths, reminds us that life thrives even in extreme environments. And that's our lineup of 7 bizarre animals from around the world. Which one blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments below if you were surprised, or maybe even grossed out by any of these fascinating creatures. From the regenerative powers of the Axolotl, to the bizarre beauty of the Basketstar, Our planet is teeming with life that continues to amaze and inspire. By understanding and appreciating the diversity of life on Earth, we can better protect these creatures and preserve the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode of our wild explorations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on our next adventure.